Hi everybody, here's Tom. He's going to give you some instructions on how to make some nice, easy, simple, but delicious cinnamon rolls.
And we're going to do that with the Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Rolls. And we're going to have pecans on top and nice and gooey caramel. So let's do this. We have butter over here. I'm going to get on, heat it up on the camshaft. Get it melted.
Some of the other ingredients is here. He has his pan already greased, ready to go. We got some brown sugar, mixed nuts like he said, some vanilla, some cinnamon, and some syrup for it to give us that sticky, gooey texture.
And I greased the pan, and I'm going to try to get a cast iron, but I don't have a cast iron that size right now. And this is an 8-inch pan, which will work perfect, I'm pretty sure, for the cinnamon rolls, so they fit in nice and snug. So I'm using the pizza oven out here, and I'm going to have it around 350, 400 degrees. You can also do this in your oven, so you can either or you can use. And I got the butter melted. I'm going to put in my brown sugar.
Stir, stir, mix it up.
Get it all melted good.
Next, he's taking the cinnamon.
And I got a recipe called for syrup, but I had or for your Caro syrup. I'm using regular pancake syrup, so it'll give it a little extra flavor. All right, we'll let that melt, and
we just added a little drop of that vanilla. Check and see how this is cooking up here.
Oh, it's
looks nice and gooey.
Okay, now we're going to pour what we can in the bottom of this pan. I think I got more than I needed. All right, we're going to take the nuts.
Try to sprinkle them evenly.
I didn't have all pecans, so I used some walnuts too. Had what we had in the...
You can just mix them up anyway.
Yeah. And we're going to do our... I'm taking it apart now. I really don't need the cream cheese frosting. We'll take that over and put it there. Yeah. Just layer them right in there.
And he's layering them with the cinnamon stuff to the top. Well, I guess it's kind of a both, but the cinnamon mixture is more facing upwards. Look at those calories.
Very good calories though. They weren't very accurate on it. All right, we're gonna take it. I got the pizza oven on 400, and we're gonna put it in there and see where it goes.
Let them bake. Get back with you.
Okay, she's cooking in there pretty good. It's been about 10 minutes. Still got another 10-15 minutes more to go. It's right around 400. I went and bought another pizza oven. I got 2 pizza ovens now, and I can take one off and use the burner if I need to. When we go camping, we have a few people there, we can make pizzas a little faster. And then also on my barbecue patio, I have my Blackstone that I made videos of. It's really nice. It's been a real nice griddle. Love it. And they sent me the new top. I had a damaged top. They went and sent me a new one. Took about 6 months, but we finally got it. So, all right, a few more minutes. Be right back. Okay, we're going to check these cinnamon rolls real quick. They're almost done. They're getting kind of browned on top. A little bit more. Camp chef pizza ovens work really nice. Pizzas are beautiful in them. So let's give them a few more minutes.
Here they come.
Nice. I'm going to put them in here for a second and get the tray out. All right. I'm going to let them cool for a little bit so I don't have a mess, I don't think. But maybe I can take them out. All right, let's see how this works. I got the...
They smell good.
Make sure they...
Just loosening them up a little bit before he's going to dump them.
Let's get them over there. Oh, look at that.
Look at the gooey goodness. Oh, and they smell so good. There you go, folks. Nice and
running
easy.
all over.
Looks good.
All right.
I know they taste good.
I'll let them just cool just for a second, and then I'll put them on a plate and see how they come apart. All right. All right, I gave Kath hers. I'm gonna get mine here. I'm gonna put a little extra juice on mine. And they turned out really good here.
Yeah, I've been eating mine. It's delicious.
Mmm. Really good. Tasty. So, I'll be putting a link down below. I'll be putting a link down below with the ingredients. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. We'll talk to you guys later.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.